Hello and welcome. Let's look at WAEC 2019 Government Past Question number 6. The right to govern and administer the affairs of the people of a country is A. Power, B. Diplomacy, C. Authority, D. Influence. So we need to get to know the definition of these words so that we can know the one that really falls in. So power is actually forceful in nature, force. So it's forceful in nature. It could actually be physical power. Physical, it could be military power. It could also be charismatic power. It depends. But authority is actually the legitimate right. Authority is the legitimate right of the governor or political leader. So of say a president or governor or a political leader to pilot the affairs or to govern. When we talk about diplomacy, it has to do with the way you relate with other governments, and influence has to do with your power over other people, which could be due to your authority or your ability to have very good diplomatic relation or your power. So influence has a lot to do with these three. But the direct right to govern or administer the affairs of people of a country is what we call authority. It is the legitimate right to govern. So that makes C the right option. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section.